welcome back kitchen dwellers. Today we have some chores to do as it is gonna be spring cleaning time soon. Or maybe it has already started and I don't know about it yet. Today we'll be cleaning our combination steam oven. So let us roll up our sleeves and get down to business. The combination steam oven is one of our most popularly used items in the kitchen, and with heavy usage, cleaning and maintenance is very crucial in terms of ensuring the longevity of your appliance. Let us get one thing straight though. This here is the picture of a brand new steam oven, and most likely the one you have at home is going to be slightly different because yours will show light signs of use and wear, which is completely normal. It's almost like you can't be driving a car for 6 months and expecting it to be the same showroom condition from when you first purchased it. Same thing with appliances. So our goal today is to give you that freshly out of the car wash and detailing feel to your appliance. To do that, we'll need some help from these following items, and the first one will be this here. This is the food safe cleaner for the DGC steam ovens. And being food safe is good because it's going to eliminate the worry about having chemicals flying around carried by the steam while you're cooking for the next time. A small sponge with a scrubby surface for cleaning, and if that fails, you can get one of these guys, which is a non-abrasive scrubber. Once again, this one has to be non-abrasive, and please get a non-abrasive one so that you don't scratch the inside of the oven. After you're done preparing yourself mentally and having some gloves on, pour yourself a cup of tea because this is going to be a slightly longer afternoon than normal. So we just go into our combination steam oven and remove the racks and the trays and start spraying generously our food safe DGC steam oven cleaner into the back of the walls and other sides as well. I would like to keep the grease filter in there for the moment being because that's going to stop us from spraying our cleaning solution into the back of the machine. After that is done, go into our menu here and select maintenance and then soak. This will roughly take about 10 minutes, in which case the steam will work together with the solution to lift the grease off the walls. As the soaking process is complete, open the door to let out excess steam and maybe slightly spray the food safe cleaner once more to add more moisture for our wiping process. Now, if your oven is suffering from some fresh grease, this should already start to lift off and get cleaned easily, but as you can see in my case here, because I have left my grease in the oven for about 2 weeks for them to completely cake in, we are having some difficulty lifting them off the walls. That's where we will start to remove all of the racks and everything by unplugging them from the walls, and now we will introduce our non-abrasive brush so that we can have a more thorough cleaning done in the oven here. After lifting all of the grease off the walls, do wipe them away with a damp cloth or paper towel or something like that, and put the oven back onto a soaking mode and move on to the racks. So now they're going to be soaking into the dish sink here, and we will start scrubbing them down. The racks, rails, and the grease filters will be easier to clean. We just need a little bit of dish soap and some brushing action to get them clean and off of grease. After washing them, you should be able to let them dry or wipe them dry, and we move on to putting them back into the oven. After the secondary soaking cycle is complete and wiping away extra moisture, your oven should look like this. If there are still stuck on grease and whatnot on the walls and everything, the best course of action is to repeat the process. So we just do the spray, soak, and scrub again, and most likely the result will be quite optimal. If you knew where everything came from and you know your way around putting them back, go ahead and do it. Otherwise, keep watching. So all we have to do is basically aim the 3 anchoring points on the rack into the oven to secure them. So 2 of them will be in the back here, so we go plug them in and then shift the sidebar into the side hole here, and we're pretty much good to go. Now moving on to the gliding rails. This will be a little bit more difficult, so we do have to kind of hook the end of the rail onto the lower bar here first, and then aim the small hand-shaped opening of the rail in the end towards the bar in the back. And if everything aligns well, you should be able to feel when the hooks actually align and go into place, and we are now good to reuse the oven again. Or maybe after we put in this forgotten oven rack into its place by shifting it down a bit, and now we can proudly say that our oven is ready for the next culinary adventure. Thank you for watching, and check back for the next cooking video. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope we were able to share some Miele knowledge while entertaining you. Feel free to explore other videos and other appliances, or explore our other forms of social media for current content. Thank you!